Nature, Mother Earth, can help us ground our energy, can help us be more balanced physically, mentally, and emotionally. We can, with our bare feet, literally release energy into the ground, into the soil. If you have any little spot of dirt, grass, whatever it is, place your feet on it, bare feet if possible, and you can release unwanted, unneeded energy that doesn't serve you any longer into Mother Earth, into the ground, into nature. This will benefit you physically, emotionally, and mentally. I see you, I appreciate you, I honor you. So much love and blessings.